Prompt number 12. Is bias inevitable in the production of knowledge? Well, we need to unpack bias. What exactly is bias? When you explore bias, you will discover that there are two main types of bias. There is conscious bias and there is also unconscious bias. And I think that you will quickly see that the conscious and the unconscious bias affect a lot of what we know and how we seek and produce that knowledge in the first place. I'm going to give you some examples. So let's look at something like the arts. To what extent is our knowledge of the arts in some way prejudiced? In some way, is it skewed in favour of dead white men? Let's look at history. Take an example like the events that happened in Nanjing during World War II. The Chinese regard it as a massacre. A lot of Japanese people might deem it to be a mere incident, and they have varying different views surrounding this particular event. In mathematics, we have sampling, which can obviously be affected by bias, and in the natural sciences and the human sciences, we also need to be aware of confirmation bias as well. So it seems as though bias is very prevalent in our production of knowledge. Now, of course, you could try and counter it: critical thinking, double-blind clinical trials. But you need to ask yourself this: can we completely eliminate the existence of bias in our production of knowledge? And if not, does that make it inevitable? Thank you.